Okay, okay, okay. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, volume's low. Test, 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 test. Let's get started at. Show that we're online. We are live. Yep. So everything's good. Apex Evo ban. Wow. I haven't done that in a minute. Okay, let me see what we're looking at. 4-hour rejection. That's what I was liking here. Oh. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13. Yes, moving higher to the daily. Hourly gap here. And use low weaker, right? So it's likely gonna be long ES, short NQ type of day until I see a significant SMT here. I did see that Trump made some announcements here, and it did do a pump and just basically sold off right after. That was interesting. How's everyone doing today? Green or red, guys? I didn't trade AM today again. I was trying to, but was caught doing other things. But I do want to get evals done, so I'm thinking of trying to see if I can get some trays. I'm pretty sure someone said that there's ER news. So if we can get some ER news, or not, earnings report basically from big tech, that could be good. Trade some evals on, especially if it moves aggressively. What do you think of funding ticks? Funding ticks is good. I think the evals are better right now because it's much cheaper. So I would do that. What do you guys think? Bullish or bearish here, guys? I hate to keep on being a bear, but like with NQ is very bearish right now. But we got a nice closure. We took this high out. I'm just holding this pretty well here. Probably, yeah. I think it's more rangy than anything. Okay, let me get connected here. Just like look in the higher time frame, we're just consolidating. We're just good. I think when it's consolidated, we have good range. The only thing is like we do have pretty large of a divergence right now. Gotta keep that in mind. I just gotta make sure, like yesterday, we did good yesterday, but like the start was not good because we just started shorts early without really good confirmation. It was like kind of my bias feeling, and that took us out like 2 stops early, and then the third, fourth, fifth played out well. So this is also a breaker setup here. We get a nice closure. Maybe we can play that short. Short NQ most likely is the route for me right now. Need a really strong closure though. I think shorts look much better right now. Let's see. I connect my accounts. I think some of them are not connected right now. Okay, let's see. Let me draw the breaker here. We got the closure, so I am game for shorts right now. Keep on starting late on the stream. It's messing me up. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Likely gonna play this here. Just need to get in my cat. I don't know where my apex are. Okay, where the hell? There it is. Let me make sure everything's connected before I start. Maybe we're likely gonna short off this breaker if it still gives it to us. It looks good. I think most time frames I'm looking at on NQ is showing for lower right now. But it is more range bound than anything. So if we play this, it's gonna be kind of like somewhat tight. Something like this could be good. Short off this breaker, let's put a stop above it. If ES also wants to get a nice 5-minute closure here, we can get this order block form. You're gonna play off this breaker right now. We got a nice retrace here on an NQ. I have my stop above. Let me get situated. Oh, nice push already. I want to see if we can smash these lows here. This first low will be good. And then eventually through these lows. 50, 50. Okay. I need to save my layout. There we go. So I don't have to redo this every time. Yeah, so I only have one in right now. I'm gonna let this ride. I want to see if we can hit like low 200s. Stop at 34, so like basically 10-point stop exactly right now. Need to see some more movements here. I'm kind of rely on this breaker to really follow suit, but we did get a nice drive. We need definitely some more action. We got this order block on ES already, so I do feel pretty good about still lower. It's coming back up though. Could have easily taken it for 10, but I'm kind of going for a bigger move here. That's always something to be wary of. I think you need to start dropping here. Coming back up to entry. I think we still can press lower though. I'm gonna try to put my limit like low 200s, and then I'm gonna trail it if it start pushing. Was up 10, and then we're like kind of midpoint of 5 right now, just because it came back up. I just expect this is gonna be more range bound today. Just coming back up again. Right back up entry, and now break even again. If it gets one more push and then turn again, we'll get like a low time frame flip, maybe on 30-second. I'm gonna add another one, as long as it stops still in. Still think they should move lower though. Big push, big push. This is what it's looking like. Is now we were up 10, now we're down like 3. That's out my 10-point hard stop right now. Now if this flips, I'm gonna add another one. If we get another like 1 minute 30-second or something like that. Do you see this 5-minute order block hold on ES too? It's gonna hold. Okay, getting a nice rejection here. We might look what's add. I think this looks good already. Start turning. We don't have a clear gap here yet. I'm kind of looking to see if we want to get a closure under the next retap up. I'll try for another one. We have a gap here. We can take this also. This is still respecting this breaker here, so I do like that. If it comes back to 23s, this is probably where, if you're bearish, you look for a second ad to continue lower. If you're not sure, then you just sit tight with one. But I kind of like this. Let me see this reject here. It's coming back up. Damn, big push. It's gonna take me out probably here. It's just really back and forth right now. Probably days like these, probably good to just take 1-to-1. And then I'll focus on a re-entry already. Big spike. A closure back down, we'll get another breaker, and that would actually send this lower. But we need to really hold this 1 minute here. I feel like I have a comfortable stop as long as it isn't wicket. Let me clear this out. What the heck is this trading panel? Okay. Not really looking the best anymore. Yeah, the first tap was good, but we just had no follow through. This is like a simple retracement. It's kind of sad. Yep, yeah, stop. I'm probably not gonna re-enter until I see something. I gotta expect this is more back and forth. I can't think this is going to like break these lows or highs. We did take the M lows there, but definitely got 1-to-1 though. But I don't think I would ever just smack out just 1-to-1 because that's like risk reward. That there's like no exit here, no low taken. What am I looking at? Is this bullish here or bearish? Let's see. Good push up. We'll get a bullish breaker. We'll get a closure through the 40s here. 240s. Same as at ES here, which will probably play longs on ES. Dude, part of me just think this is gonna just turn back down, just range again. Just can't be eager yet. Big push though. I think most of the time frames looking at is still bearish on NQ, especially. Maybe ES is different. Big push, big push. So yeah, 5-minute closure, next 5-minute closure at 1:30. Get closure above here. We'll get that ES and NQ breaker on the 5. And then we can likely send this back up. That is now what I'm looking at now. We took the high. We have like a slight SMT if ES is one, take this high. What do you guys think right now? I'm looking at this possibility here for higher. If we get a nice close. So it looked like this. And then we'll try to look at something on lower time frame. That's if we get a close. If we don't get a close, I'm still gonna probably not be bullish. Two more minutes, 2.5 minutes. Lunch highs. This is invalidated, by the way. You guys like longs on this next drive back? Or is that too early? Where's the draw? The draw is kind of uncertain right now because I'm looking at the higher, you know, like look at the 15 minute, we already smashed all these highs. So if you're bullish, you'll be, I guess, go over these highs. And then we also took a lot of these internal lows. So lots of things are just taken. Like if this was not taken, yeah, I think you'll be bullish as long as it progresses and then take this high out. We're just waiting more for where it wants to go. It's kind of giving me, I guess, the megaphone right now. The early stages of just seeking Shoy. It keeps on coming back up and rejecting. It's really sloppy. Could try longs in this 5-minute gap here on ES. I don't know how I feel about it though. true draw liquidity is concerned, I think so too. That's why it's like so hard to read this right now. Let's smash these highs here. Keeps on. This is not breaker yet. I'm gonna just drag this aside. Dude, this is so ugly right now. I hope it gets clear next like 30 minutes. Here's that push. See this closure in a few minutes here. I think we have a nice gap here for longs if we can get a closure. Just break up higher. And getting rejected here again. I can't use your code in Tradeify. You can't use Code Smart. For like an eval, it should work. I'll wait for this closure and then I'll start looking at longs. This says I don't have permission. Can you post a picture in the Discord, please? This is most like, oh, what is happening? This is most likely what I'm looking at right now. Especially on ES. I think ES is much better right now. Okay, I'm just boring up. Mm-hmm. Probably gonna have to play for this long here. Most likely, if we can take these lows out, long it, stop under, come back up. So, especially on ES, it makes much sense if it even wants to retrace. Might even just long as soon as we break this 76. Probably something like this. Oh, I think Dhesi wants to get on. Let me see. Yo, hello. Let me make sure your volume's on.
Sure.
All right, say something.
Yo.
Say something again. I'm gonna try to do your volume.
Yo.
All right, I think you're good. Are you trading right now?
I actually took a loss early in the morning on longs.
Longs. I just tried a short just now. I was like up 10 with a 10-point stop, and I was going for 20, and then now just hit me for -10.
I'm kind of just ranging. I want to see
We're
at this
ranging.
point. I want to see continuation higher. See if we get a
Yeah,
push up.
that's what I'm kind of looking at now.
Dude, this summer price action has been pretty bad for at least expansion.
I'm gonna post this on Discord. Same thing. Share it here. We're looking for this long. Basically. Well, you trade PM, any specific reason? I just like PM just because it's lower, more consistent, and I can use data from previous sessions. Dude, this price action is a little bit annoying just because how slow it is too. And just
I feel like
ranging.
lately it's been having like a big move at open, but like you can't even capitalize on it.
And then we have the Trump news too.
Yeah.
I don't know if ES wants to even retrace all the way back down here.
You see this 1 minute gap we're in on NQ? I had alerted this in Discord. If we go have an inversion here, I'll take it.
Which gap?
This 12-10 gap.
12-10.
Oh,
this one. I want to see this retrace a little bit more before I jump in longs.
So let's see where that goes.
This is what you're looking at. I don't know if you can, yeah, they can see it. Yeah, it's just slow grinding up right now. I don't know. We didn't even get a tap in on Q, which kind of sucks.
Yeah, we got earnings after close. 2 big ones. I'm gonna try to send some evals. Hopefully, we get a good earnings candle.
What's the earnings today? Microsoft? Was it? Or Microsoft Tesla?
Is Google and Tesla.
Oh, Google. Oh, okay. Let me see.
Your lighting looks much better.
Yeah.
The NQ is gonna moon. I want to see upside too for end of day. I feel like if you're up for that short last night, it would have been okay because ES swept the high, NQ didn't, all-time high. But I don't know about you guys. I don't think I've taken a short in the last like it's been a while. Maybe like my last 50 trades, I might have taken like 2
Yeah,
shorts.
I've been doing both sides. Been fine, but yeah, shit. So I think PM's been kind of ass. These like AM just run up, and then PM just like kind of like near the high of the day, basically.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're not getting any good retrace right now. It's ass. Need to see this come back down for longs. For me, at least, it's not really want to do that. Big push.
See this pump.
You're long this inversion.
Yeah. I have a wide stop on this though. It's the one I posted. In the
Yeah.
Discord chat. It took forever to actually. I think I posted like an hour or so ago. But let's see.
We didn't get that freaking entry for me. It's annoying. Nice. Yeah, at least chat was able to get something.
Get some long.
They're long.
I think YM's wrecking. I think he was lagging compared to everything.
Mm-hmm. It's pushing really good.
Yeah. Honestly, impulse. Those 70s. Such a slow grind.
Yeah.
All right. So it looks like chat. Some of you guys took longs, which is good.
Yep. They're just gonna keep on pushing here.
Yep. Let's go. That's a nice push. I want to see. I mean, ES is about to take out high day. There it is.
There's highs.
If you guys took that inversion, it's like 20 points here. You couldn't adjust your positions just because ES took out the highs.
Are you looking at 293s?
Yeah. But ES took out highs, which makes me a little defensive here.
It's moving nonstop right now.
Yeah.
I really can't trade these type of price action when it's moving. It's like even
I
when
thought,
my bias flips.
yeah. I thought the retracements are iffy, so I think the versions work well.
ES is all time high, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so, right? I was saying the divergence has been crazy. Honestly, dude, I was even before I was like, actually, there's a long ES instead of NQ, but
Yeah, that's why I want to focus on longs.
I didn't listen to myself. I'll throw my stops at 49 for us. Let's see.
I think we'll get at least some retracement zone, but I have targets met, so like I don't even know if I want to keep on pushing longs. Guys, you guys still like longs if we get a retrace? I'm not usually the best at these type of trend push, and then took all time highs already. We'll get the 5-minute gap real quick here. You going to push for another high?
Let's see it.
We're probably just using this as a breaker. I'm gonna mark this out.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. What happened there?
That's a BE stop if I ever seen one.
Did Trump say something? Dude, I'll be so fucking annoyed if I long that, and then that's my next candle. I'll like actually like rage quit right there. Like never rage quit like that before, and that'll be like the first time.
You just wait, and then boom. I mean, dude, look at it. ES, bro. I dumped like 10 points. These soup traders are getting paid.
I'm so fucking I don't even know what to do. Because I'm not gonna long this like that. Oh boy, what was that dump? Like, that was such a strong candle. How do you even play that, chat?
Casino, bro.
This is where I'll be long on ES, matter of fact.
Brian bottom two coming or what?
This is where I like long. I'm gonna probably do hands off first a little bit and let this play out. God damn, what the hell is that? That was a pullback to go long. It probably was, honestly. I would not.
It's just so scary when it's slow, 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 and then boom.
Yeah.
I was like,
And I'm good with being hands off until I'll wait for it. I'll wait for something to cook. How did anyone catch any shorts or long or affected by that move? I mean, this long worked out. I'm not gonna lie. I basically just let that play. Didn't touch it. I watched it. I'm like, damn, that has a big wick. But crazy. I posted it. That's what I was looking for longs for a while. Trump trade advisor, take it with a grain of salt. Oh, so it's like that type of news.
so you're saying basically it's cap. That's crazy.
Just one comment caused that.
Yeah. But that would have been bottom tick, Ryan, your trade.
Yeah, would have. I mean, it makes sense on the higher time frame too. Nice retrace. That's just so interesting. Sometimes when you're trading live, you see that happen. I'm just glad I did not play it along because I would actually, that'd be like you get a clip of me raging on stream. It's like, imagine like, you put a 10-point stop, like I'm gonna try this long. It's like, it's not something I usually do, but I'm gonna go for it. And the next can like 30-40 points dump in one like second.
Still going.
This ES trade is like 6 points up right now. I took my limit off. I'm pretty sure I did. Let me check actually. Yeah, I did. If I did and I came back to it, I'll be kind of happy. I'll be like, we're actually up good. But yeah, I don't think I would have even wanted it because of that news flash. I would rather take it while I see it coming. Did anyone take the ES long? Leo said just taking shorts. It's tough. I think it's tough for shorts for me because we did get like a big wick down and it hit like a pretty solid support on the higher time frame, or like kind of like the 5-15 minute time frame, like 15-minute OB2. Like, so that makes it like, if you're looking for shorts, maybe we'll get like a nice retracement back again because we basically did a full reversal, but I don't know if we'll get like an actual big move. I wonder how bad a slippage was that. Did you feel any slippage on that, Dhesi? If you had a position?
Actually, no, it was okay.
Okay. I guess it wasn't instantaneous. It took a little bit for it to react. I'm looking at them like 15 second. We dumped like 10 points and then another 10 and then another 10.
Yeah.
Don't you usually get slippage of
But
sim?
dude, this
There's always
is getting
slippage, but
bought
it
up.
depends. It depends on like the candle. Like if you get like like a CPI candle, 200 points, you would for sure get slippage somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
If you trade Project X though, I'm so sure you would have got slipped.
Yeah. I think so too.
It's just like they say there's no slippage, but like I guess if you compare to live count, yeah, because that's it's a live count. But if you compare like trade evade is actually very favorable. Hey, we're about to push for new highs. That's such a like golden long opportunity. Took my limits off. It just happened really fast. So you had like I'm on the 1 minute chart. You had 1 minute basically to decide if you want to jump in or not. Dude, when can we just get away from like I don't know. I feel like I want like good price action back. Unless you guys think this is good. For me, it's like kind of mid.
Yeah,
It's like
for
always so
me.
slow. And then like the direction is always like I guess up, so it's like all time high. But I'm kind of like sick of it. I just wanted it to be back to normal. Even go back to April where we started dumping. That I wasn't too mad at that. That was where I was picking up a lot of swings. How can you find this mid, Brian? It's just personal preference. Like the easy example is like I wanted long instead of a flip. We got no retracement. Not even the 1 minute breaker, not even the 5 minute breaker. And the way that we got that retracement, guess what? It was a 60 point, 50 point wick. That's how we got the retracement. So that to me is pretty mid. But I'm glad, like, you're playing the 5 minute, not the 1. Like, usually it does play out, especially with bullish bias and we have like a structure. Oh, and you got the guy who brags all the time about thriving this. No, this price actually, you can thrive in this if you get an entry. Today, I didn't get an entry. I was ready to long for most of these areas, but it went without me. I guess the only thing that would have flipped was like, let's say on this candle here at 135, if it just dipped inside the breaker, we'd have long this and it'd been like the most beautiful long. Missed opportunity, basically. Spiked into the high there. NQ is really pushing now.
Honestly, new high day on NQ.
Why would you long this, Dhesi? If you want to play longs.
Probably
Is
like
Nvidia
wait for.
pumping?
We're going right now, but maybe like a 1 minute fair value gap here somewhere. I mean, dude, if I didn't touch my trade and move stops to break even, it's probably will hit full TP. But maybe like if we get like an impulse here and then get like a 1 minute gap to new highs on NQ.
It's just like really bullish. So like I'm trying to think of like where can I jump in longs where it's like good risk reward. I have a comfortable stop. I think the next area you're just looking at is basically this next retrace here. You just see like lows 260s, probably stop 250s and just let that ride. I could try that. I can give that a try if that does come back. If I played this, I guess where would my stop be? I think like right here, right? Just see if we can let this ride higher. Somewhere like low 260s, I think. Could be the next area that we could play. I want to see if we can get a flip also. Low 260s. Let's see one more drive. If we can.
Dude, this is so stagnant.
That was it. Missed my fill by like 2 ticks, 3 ticks. I don't know if anyone got that long on that retrace. That was like probably the retrace there. Just right there. This is about to fly so much higher. Just gonna keep on going. We are uncharted territory in ES, so if ES wants to progress, that means NQ has a lot to go. Like we can go for the AM highs right now, at the very least 290s.
ES 6400 would be good.
60 what? 64.
Yeah, I think that's probably the target. Just play the psych numbers.
Damn, Chase missed the order by a tick.
That's crazy.
I missed by.
I feel like this type of price action, you miss so much. Like you can, there's like an opportunity to miss it by so many times. It just gets like triggering.
It is true. Then next time you'll be like, I'm just gonna mark it, and then you mark it.
and then Trump talks and you're cooked.
Yeah. That's why we're venting together. If you're by yourself, this might be more problematic. But since we're all together, we're like, damn, we missed it all together. I think I'm gonna hold off on the first tap now. If it wants to give like a really, maybe even take the slow out first, 260, and then that's when I'll start jumping on one. And I'll add if we get a flip. This is the second time now we're just consolidating here. I think we can get one more drive here, right? No. 65 this time.
Just 1 minute. It just like goes down, up, down, up, down, up.
Yeah, that's just what I'm thinking of.
On the other hand, I'm almost halfway to max payout on Apex.
What do you mean?
I'm at 20 something days.
Oh, 20 something. How many payouts? They go by.
Oh, it's by payouts, huh?
No. Yeah.
I got my first one denied, second one approved, and I have another one coming in Monday.
Yeah, they only care about your payouts. You can get in like 5 times and you still have payout number 1.
100 days, 0 payouts. I think end of August is probably a good timeline.
That means you just have a good amount of time. Just keep on building up.
Yeah, I'm in a small side. I want to start stepping on it after a few more payouts.
Have you guys tried Tick Trader? Tick Trader is kind of mid, to be honest. Just better options. Lucid's better option. Traderify is a better option. You really got instant funding. Dude, I don't know if we'll get anything. God damn, bro. There's like 2 long opportunity miss before it just start ripping.
I think it's about to go right now.
It is about to go. It's about to go.
I didn't touch my trade. Broke my rule.
Oh, what did I do? What do you think of Tick new straight funded plans? I don't think I like them. I think I've seen them before. What it feels like is a money grab. I think you guys seen it already.
With what?
It's Tick Trader. I don't know if you saw it. It's like you kind of like, I think you buy 10 accounts in one bundle, so it's like kind of good for affiliates. They're like, oh, someone buys it, they make a boatload of money because they buy 10 at once. But there's a lot of restrictions with it.
I know the drawdown's very low, right? Compared to other ones. I know Michael Paddock teased no payout cap. That would be great.
I think he's about it because I don't think that many people on Top Step. Well, you think it's because of they're gonna have their own broker soon? Maybe they'll.
Yeah, I think probably something to do with that when they could like be more in control or something. You know?
Yeah, and then like they have slippage too now, so like you can't really like if people try to just trade news, maybe the fills would be terrible.
I wouldn't mind no payout cap, and then they could like take away news trading or something. Just something like, I think that'd be. I think payout cap is. I mean, it's already pretty high. I mean, there's not a lot of people that are pulling out 25K every 5 days. Unless you have like a good streak or something.
You see the My Fun feature update? I don't know if you were there for it.
Shit's ass.
You don't like it? They dropped it, the split to 80-20 as well.
Yeah, bro. 80-20 is such a like, dude. I don't know. Not having 20% of your money is crazy. It's a lower price, right? Like the entry, I guess.
Yeah. What's up the expert? The expert is still, or the pro plan is very, very expensive still. Like it's such a good plan though, but like I guess for that reason, very, very expensive.
Prime My Fun Futures was something, bro. I'll tell you that.
Yeah. The one good thing is they increased the cap to 100K.
MFF limited me after I blew my live. Same here. That's why I haven't traded for like probably like almost a year.
We're just gonna go for these highs. And we can't get longs get there because we missed the fill by the first fill. It was like 63, was it? I got 63s. I missed about like a few ticks. That's why, like, I'm always like, usually I'll be like, you know, I'll thrive in this price action, but then if I miss the fill by a few ticks, it's like, what do I do? I don't think shorts are gonna get anything here. We'll get like a mini retrace. It's kind of scary being a short. So relentless. Where's the next long? So like the 5-minute was the area of interest. I don't think I'm gonna join in anywhere here. Unfortunately. We gotta be real good retracement now. Just one of these days, man. Oh, I got my funded exit trade. I got my evals. I have 14 evals, guys. Spike there. But likely to get more follow through now.
Let's see it. Oh. You're getting them candles. There we go. Well,
I think that is all. Yeah, high of day. So another miss long again. Like I don't know how many times I gotta.
14 points on ES.
Like I'm just gonna cancel this because I don't think if it wicks me again, we'll just look for a different one. See if there's time for it. That is really annoying though. See that keep on happening. Well, I don't think I'm that bullish anymore again. I think now we can get a good retracement. We already took the draw, which is the high of the session. We can definitely go for another push up. But now I want like a really good entry model if we do want to play longs.
Yeah, I think we're just gonna keep pushing. Look at this. We got a 15-minute breaker structure too.
Are you like on longs up here?
I mean, I don't think I could long up here, but I'm kind of just crying over my longs that I sold for break even.
Mm-hmm. I can't short it up here yet, but I also would dislike myself by a long high of the session. So we had to wait here again. There's a few injury models today though, just again missed it. Why didn't you post your daily recap yesterday? I posted a trade that we took on Twitter, but we took like 5 trades yesterday. So it was a lot. I don't really do recaps like that. Just joined. Did you take any trades? We missed like the last 2 trades. We missed by a few ticks, which were both longs. That's the recap. And that's why maybe it's just a good idea to just mark it in when it's all-time high, or just pushing like that, just very trendy. I have my limit orders and it just gets missed every single time today. I feel like we have a good shot to actually reject from this and push lower. If you were by self, how would you combat / letting the trades go like this? I'm not even sure. It'd be very frustrating. I feel like maybe I'll be aggressive on the next one. Either way, I think it's gonna be very difficult, whether I'm on stream or not. Never easy to handle these type of trades when you're getting missed. Please have your buy limit. I'm gonna delete this so I don't confuse people. I'm gonna see if it's still applicable when it gets there. Adit says shorts in play. What do you guys think? You guys feeling more bullish or bearish here? If it were me, I think I would want to give one more jab short, maybe off this inversion here on NQ, and then if this fails, I'll look for that second long. It's just not ready to short here.
You're only.
Oh, I guess I have trade A eval I bought yesterday. I could trade that. See if we can get, was it 30% consistency? It's so tight on evals, but the fun is really good. So I'm gonna just deal with it. Let's pull it up. Okay, let me see. Trade day. See what connects. It does. I have 6 150K accounts. I don't know how much size I can really trade on this. Big push. It's 55. All right, let me see. I have the trade day here now. It's called Elton. I don't know what the hell that means, but let me see maximum size. Oh, I need real-time data. Oh, fuck me.
2049 to be good.
How do you even get data? Do I have to contact support? Is there anyone in the chat? What are your thoughts on the new MyFund futures accounts? I think the core is fine. The core is very cheap, good cost of barrier of entry for new people who just want to practice. But yeah, 80% split, and like I think you can like take only 1K per request. I need to talk to trade day. They haven't gave me no freaking data. They've just been sucky.
Brian, I think I'm hop out of here.
All right.
All right, chat.
I'm banned on trade day for charging back top 1. Oh, I think I heard of that. That's weird. I don't know how they know. Go to Tradevate and sign the agreement. Where do you sign the agreement? I logged in Tradevate. Dude, this fucking sucks with price action day. Can't even get any trades, and every time I try to take one, I just miss it. That is the most annoying thing. I might retire, chat. I might retire after today. Missing both my entries. I'm done. Do you guys like shorts or you guys still like longs? Because I would kind of hate myself to long up here, but I want to see a nice 5-minute closure most likely before I even start shorts. That's always like kind of been difficult for me today. I think we can just press lower. Today just feels so exhausting. That's what the best way to describe it. I feel like very exhausting today. Starting to flip here, and Q's showing a lot of downward pressure. I'm definitely gonna wait for confirmation before I think of anything. Chat, what do you guys think? Do you guys think I would win if I short up here? Or you guys think I'm gonna get cooked? I'm so scared of shorting up here when I missed it so many times. Get cooked. Missed the long so many times that the only thing I could do is play for shorts now. That's my history right now. We can look at change day delivery. What I mean is if we have this closure, let's say on ES, we'll get something like this here. So 5-minute closure definitely solidifies a chance. Push here. No closure. It's gonna come back up. Cooked to be short. I didn't take that inversion. Most likely on this next retap. This is premature, but I you know, we can try one. Maybe do like a 12, 13 point stop. It is a little risky, and I know a lot of you guys are gonna not talk shit, but like shit on me for attempting it. But somewhere here on this high 290s. Ideally, if we get this 5-minute change day delivery here, I think it makes it like 6 times better. for shorts. Just keeping that in mind. If we take this short, it's likely to be on that change delivery. Do like a 15-point stop and see if we can really get a sell back down. That's kind of what I'm thinking. That's only, guys, again, I know you guys see this risk reward tool, you're like, oh, he's gonna be short right now. Like, that's only if we get this closure. You guys gonna blame me for taking it early or something. This one you guys could try. This is preemptive. We have no confirmation other than we have like a low warrant time frame flip. I'm gonna try this out with one contract as well. I've been running with two contracts lately, so the starter is just one. This got BPR short, and then if we get this 5-minute closure, that's just like really good ads. They can play lower for longs. Let me see. Yeah, I think this longs down here is not bad either. But I want a nice retracement for longs to play out. I think we'll get one more jab up if we can here. I'm gonna be patient for this. If it doesn't hit, it doesn't hit. That's my plan right now. Next 5-minute closure is in 30 seconds. I don't think we'll get this closure confirmation on it. But I do think this is possible still. Again, if you guys want stronger confirmation, like the actual solid short, you wait for the closure. I'm going for both. Did it? How the fuck did we miss this again? Well, we'll see. What's your total payout usually? And I'm pretty sure it's like floating between 700 and 800. It's probably closer to 800 now with July. Means I was counting 700 before July. What's the long plan? I think longs is much better if we can get like a nice retracement to like all the way down. That's the 15-minute gap. So there's a BPR touch there. I had my limit 98, but I think it hit 97.75. That was weird. I think we just take one. This is BPR play basically. If you're basically trying short and you're putting your stop if we get closure above, let's say. I'm trying to get 98s if we can. There's that entry there. Wait, where the hell is my Lucid? So we can also be more confident we get this 5 minute closure. 5 minute under basically 898. That would be really good. That'd be really solid. Short BPR right now. Preemptive, but is not bad because actually this is the first attempt at a flip. So if it does want to flip, we get the 5 minute flip with the change day delivery, then we'll get more follow through, and we already have like a nice starter in the game. So looking good. Now just wait for to see if it wants to close on the 5. So I'm gonna put my stop. I'm gonna put a hard stop basically like up here, 312, about 12 points on this one. This is 5 minute. 5 minutes different. 5 minutes off the 5. The 1 minute we're gonna put at 312. We'll see if this works out. Only adding and we get this 5 minute now. That's like the game plan that I have in my mind. Oh, so I need I'm signing my agreement with trade dates here. So let me see if I can do that while we're waiting. Nothing I can do here. I'm not trying to get distracted either. I just need to see if we can get a flip back down to 5. This is important to me now. You're only trading NQ. NQ is weaker by far today. Even look at the movements today. ESR all-time high. It is, yeah. I mean, this is somewhat counter trend. Yeah, I agree with that. But I'm not trying to counter trend the day. I was literally like looking for long opportunities, like I think 2-3 times a day, and I missed the entry on them. But look, I mean, we're doing not too bad right now. This is what it looked like. I'm gonna show the stop, the entry, and then we'll see what we can do from this. Probably gonna look for like low 260s for TP. You had a limit at 303. What is there? I gotta take a piss too. So let's get some moves. What I'll be fearful of is if we get a closure above like 305, 306 here. That's when I might kill the trade early. Another imaginary breaker. This is not a breaker trade. This is a BPR trade. Not every trade is a breaker, by the way. Once Top Step completely removes Trade Evade Ninja, will you still trade them? I'm gonna only trade with them if there's like a solid trade copier that can hook to Project X. That'll be the way. Here, I'm gonna. Why don't you make your own trade copier? I'm not technically making one, but I do have plans of working on building one with another company that I've been working with for a while. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna take a piss. I'll let that run though. Okay. We are back. We are back. Dude, what a stupid day. Got my blanket on me to comfort me off of a day like this. Hiss of doom. I like that. that helps. That was fast. I want to get back ASAP. I'm here for the trade. I can't leave the trade for too long. Fat D said, "Take your profit. I'm on a short." Again, the 5-minute flips. This looks good for short. Oh no. It's coming right back up. I was just typing that. Jeez. What was that spike? Even when we're just consolidating, that spike just... Let's see. I feel a lot more comfortable, and I'll actually add to this. Maybe add two to this if we get that chase delivery. Then like my stop most likely will be that internal high. Entry will be down here, and then you can pretty much play for at least this gap fill. But I would think like we'll try to go like to 260s. Gotta trust the process if this works. Have you tried Atlas for trade copy? I don't know what Atlas is. But yeah, I hope to get you guys a really solid trade copier in the next few weeks. That'd be free for the stream. Which is kind of like free for the users of our platform, I mean. If if I get stopped here, that just basically means I did not I got counter trended on a day that was uptrending, and half the time that I was looking for longs, I just barely missed it by an inch. So it's like probably one of the easiest way to curate a terrible day. NQ is really pushing right now. Not the best thing to see. I don't know if I like this anymore, or as much, because it's just hanging. I was expecting like a quick retap and then closure and lower, and then get some speed, some range basically. Consolidating up here is not my cup of tea right now. While I know that's been bull training the whole day. Stay or close it, chat. Let's see. Close, stay. Stop loss too tight. Well, the point is to make the stop loss really tight. Yeah, not looking the best anymore. I mean, we had some decent moves, but just like not anything that would TP anyway. Revenge insurance. I don't think this is revenge insurance. This is actually preemptive, but you had like a PPR structure. Yeah, this is not looking the best anymore. We can always look for re-entry though, but see if we get back down. Probably want to get out now. This is holding way too well. See if we can get out for 3. Okay. I was looking at chats. Yes, it was like kind of like most of you guys said close. Also did not want this to move past this, so I'll just take out for 3. You can always re-enter if I like it again, but this accumulated here does not look good. Can't still look at this 5-minute closures. That's the idea. And I feel like longs, like, you know, you guys like longs. 15-minute gap is probably where the longs are at. What do I need to see if I want to join back in? That's the main question here. Does my feature stay stuck to the first affiliate code you use? No, it doesn't. If you sign up with MyFund features, it does to them, but to other people, no. It's trying to turn back down. Might get this chat back in on this 1 minute, and then we'll just do a tight again. I mean, it was only a 3-point loss, so definitely could have had more room. Definitely a short now. You guys think so? Is it? Is it definitely a short now? It'll be definitely a short if we get this 5-minute close, I think. This would feel good, but if you're reshorting this again, you don't want price action to get above 305s. I think that 305s gets disgusting. So this is only a disclosure. Been really weird today. Just buy and hold. You know what? Is that the... Honestly, I feel like this goes lower. Still. I'm going to be wrong again if we get back up 305s. But I'm most likely done today. We're like close to 3 p.m. That's like... The first trade was at like minus 11, minus 12. And the second trade minus 3. I'm net negative minus 13, 14. Something around there. And if I only got either the longs that I did, it would have been like, I probably held at least like 25 points. Either longs. I had 2 long opportunities basically. What's your thoughts on AM? Not sure. I feel pretty decent about short still, especially on that move back down because I just need to see that 5-minute close though. I thought AM was pretty sloppy when I was looking at it back, but then we just had like a slow come up here and then boom, Trump news. $285 must be taking people longs though. That's why I like too. Like I feel like even if you're like longs, wouldn't you like longs if we get a nice retrace first? Because we already took all-time highs. We took this high of the session here. We did a big wick and we started to turn back down. So like that's why I was open to giving a shot short. And I probably should have just kept that trade. We had like still pretty decent stop on it. But is it good? One minute change delivery here, and then kind of the 1-minute gap holding. You just want to see this turn here. Pour down to 289. That's a little SMT too, right? On NQ here. NQ took the 50-minute high. ES didn't. When did that even happen? How many guys are shorting this? How many guys are just sitting here? What's the move? I'm just gonna go right back up too. You're in from 315 short? God damn. Short from 303. You guys have really good shorts. I want to see this play out. Just please, before day ends, please let me see some free falling action. Because I have yet to see it. It's not really too much to ask, right? We're seeing a 15-minute bullish breaker. I mean, either if you still think that, like, the bullish breaker is down here, right? So I'm not sure where you're marking the bullish breaker, but maybe this high here. I see you did. You're looking at the 15-minute here. So short down all the way to this 15-minute gap still looks pretty applicable. I feel like. Running short. I have one backed in from the chain state delivery. I don't know if it's gonna play out. That's what we've been saying. Then we get this closure, the first retap. I'm gonna try back in. I mean, it's still in the same entry, so don't even say like anything. We've been sitting here for like 10 minutes already. There's back entry too. I want to see it through. I want to see it before we wrap up. Back at 98. If we get through this, I think that's where you can also put your tight stop. Just right there. The moment we close above. I gave it a chance. This price actually pisses Brian off. It is. I'm not gonna deny it. This is annoying the hell out of me. How is ES like doing some God's work lower here? Jamie said he really likes longs back up again. Damn, I'm cooked. James about to cook me, chat. We'll have to do a giveaway before we wrap this up. Let's do it now so we can pretty much get soon to wrap this up. Let's see. Giveaway bot, are you on? Are you on, giveaway bot? There it is. So yeah, like the stream and then comment your YouTube username one time. Gotta pick one, probably 2 winners today. I'm likely gonna wrap this up after the stream. I shouldn't be on for too long. I might try to trade evals if I can connect a trade day. With the, do you guys know what time ER is? That's probably what I'll be doing. So probably liquidity at 410. Oh, that's true. That's true. I forgot. I guess if the ER happens at 4 o'clock sharp, that'll be possible. Okay, let's do the giveaway. 2 winners today is no user ID and Tusavahe. I don't know what that's, how you say that. Let me look up what time the ER is. Is there a website that just says it? Let me see. 4 and 405. Oh, that's not, that's plenty of time. Which one is 4? Which one is 405? Does it matter? Is Google bigger than Tesla in the volatility? Like the market cap, you know, Google's higher, but I feel like Tesla is a little bit more volatile. You're good. Too savage. Just make a ticket. If you're a winner here, make a Discord ticket. I'm supposed to reset my password for trade data, get my data, I guess? That's what they're saying to me. Confusing, but let's try it. How the hell do you reset your password? Are we gonna push down this time? Let it fall. Let it fall. Like, if you guys don't know, first short 299, I took it at 303 for 3 points. This one I've been in for a while. I don't know. I might just close it soon because I don't want to deal with this. I think at very least ES gets inside the 50-minute gap. That's probably where I'll wrap it up. How does it stay here so good? Dude, price action is just really annoying me today. It knows how to push my buttons. And it's just keep on smashing these buttons on me. Yeah, I definitely want bare minimum at least ES getting inside this 15-minute gap. It'll show some interest that we want to try to retrace. Wait, it's July right now? Then August, September. September's a bearish month usually, so Maybe we'll be pushing for the rest of July, maybe even August, and then we can get some volume down. We're literally gonna just stay for if ES can just slam down, and then maybe we can also take 285. You gotta start seeing chop before it happens. I just gotta put my glasses on and be like, I see the chop. All right, I'm gonna take this here. I don't give a shit anymore. What the fuck is leaving without me? Okay, I want to take it there. There's like 6 points. I'm just done with markets today. I mean, I'm not down too bad today, but annoying for sure. I was hoping we'd get 285s. We just wicked it and now just floated back up. Let me just put my glasses on and just see the chop before it happens, just like the chat guy said. Did anyone TP there, or are you guys still holding? Because I'm just so kind of, in a way, frustrated with the market that I don't want to just sit through this more before I rage. Generational buy. It's so weird how it's moving too. Just backtest and you'll figure it out. That's a big brain move right there. Backtest and you'll see everything before it happens. Dude, I'm so glad I just smacked. Well, I could have definitely closed it under 290s, but I'm just glad we had that short. I just said, let me get out. I don't want to deal with this anymore, or else it just came back to even. Gotta do AM. I might do AM tomorrow. You guys want to see AM tomorrow, chat? Yeah, we got a nice push, but no follower. At least ES did get inside the gap, so that feels a lot better now. We didn't cook today. We cooked. I think we cooked yesterday. Or did we cook yesterday? I recall we did. We handle the giveaway winners. Oh no, we did already. You guys almost got a second giveaway because I'm being stupid. Five trades, 3 winners, 2 losses yesterday. That's what I remember. Today, kind of like plus or minus 10, minus 3, plus 6. We're still down like 7 points a day, which does add up. Wait, how are we down? Are we down? I think that's it, guys. False advertising. I'll try to do AM stream tomorrow. I think we'll if we do it, you can expect it around like 9:50 to 10 start time. And then we'll run till like maybe 12. Or we might even run for the full day. I don't know. I think usually when I run AM, I'll continue it. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Kind of a sloppy day. you know, you're not gonna hit a banger every single day, especially with this action. We almost hit the banger. You promoting too much, not locking enough like you used to. Yo, today I have not promoted anything today. I'm pretty sure the whole session I was just frustrated at the price action. So I should be promoting that. That's been helping me trade. Guys, make sure you guys use code SMART at all your prop purchases. Bang, bang, bang. I'm gonna wrap this up here, guys. Have a good one.